Warning. I'm neither financial advisor nor trained financial expert capable of providing advice of any sorts. The content on this YouTube videos is for educational purposes only and merely list of model prediction and related search results. To make the best financial decision that suits your needs, you must conduct your own research and seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor. All investments involve some risk and there is no guarantee that you will be successful in making, saving, or investing money, nor is there any guarantee that you won't experience any loss when investing. This week's stock study on January 28th. Hi. I'm just like you, not professionally trained for stock trading but use what I do for a living for the investment. I just believe my model more than my biased opinion from my untrained eyes. I'm strong believer of George Box's saying, all models are wrong but some are useful. So I trained my model and shared my prediction results from this video. I'll share the actual architecture of the present model once I release the next version. I only use S&P 500 stocks for my analysis and try to predict whether the stock will show more than 50% profit from year 1 to year 2. I don't want to take this profit as short-term gain because I'm close to my next federal tax bracket. Also, I have my day job so I just want to put a limit order once 1 year mark is passed. I'll first present the likelihood of this ticker showing more than 50% of profit between year 1 and year 2. And provide the list of past tickers and buying timing with news headlines of the day. Again, I also don't believe these are 100% accurate, so just treat this as a list of stocks to study for the week. Let's begin. According to the model, the probability of PENN show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 79.81%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker NXP date from November 1, 2018 to November 2, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. NXP Semiconductors ENVI, NXPI, Q3 2018 results, earnings call transcript. Second article. NXP Semiconductors 2018 Q3, results, earnings call slides. Third article. Steinberg Global Asset Management purchases 4,982 shares of NXP Semiconductors ENVI, NXPI. Fourth article. NXP Semiconductors reports third quarter 2018 results. Fifth article. 35 stocks moving in Thursday and Quat, S pre-market session. Ticker ALG date from October 30, 2019 to October 31, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Align Technology launches Invisalign Moderate to help doctors capture increasing consumer demand for clear aligners with superior Invisalign treatment. Second article. Align Technology Incorporated, NASDAQ, ALGN, shares sold by Shine Investment Advisory Services Incorporated. Third article. Align Technology Incorporated, NASDAQ, ALGN, director sells $487,131.28 in stock. Fourth article. Okugan, NASDAQ, OCGN, versus Align Technology, NASDAQ, ALGN, head-to-head review. Fifth article. Align Technology to speak at upcoming financial conferences. Ticker XP date from February 6, 2018 to February 8, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 10 luxury hotels around the world where the ultra-rich love to stay. Second article. Update to Expedia shares tumble as quarterly profit misses on higher costs. Third article. Expedia quarterly profit misses as costs jump. Fourth article. Expedia shares tumble as quarterly profit misses on higher costs. Fifth article. Expedia stock plunges after wide earnings miss. Ticker PM date from July 25, 2018 to July 26, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Philip Morris and Quat. Cigarette business remains strong, Argus says in upgrade. Second article. Chickasaw Capital Management LLC reduces holdings in Philip Morris International Incorporated, PM. Third article. Norris Perrin and French LLP has $1.09 million position in Philip Morris International Incorporated, PM. Fourth article. Janney Montgomery Scott LLC has $26.26 million position in Philip Morris International Incorporated, PM. Fifth article. Hedeker Wealth Management Group, LLC buys Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated, The Cooper Incorporated, Philip Morris. According to the model, the probability of Etsy show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 79.03%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker CAG date from March 30, 2020 to April 2, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Conagra, Schlumberger rise, Domino and Quat, SRH fall. Second article. Conagra Foods plus 4% on expectation to exceed prior FY 2020 outlook. Third article. AllianceBernstein LP lowers holdings in Conagra Brands Incorporated, NYSE, CHE. Fourth article. 40 stocks moving in Tuesday and Quat, S pre-market session. Fifth article. 56 stocks moving in Tuesday and Quat, S midday session. Ticker has date from January 9, 2019 to January 9, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Stock in Quat, S technical levels under review, Hess Corporation, NYSE, Hess C. According to the model, the probability of ENPH show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 77.36%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of UA show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 71.92%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker NFLX date from November 13, 2020 to November 16, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Asian American businesses are facing racist obstacles driven by the COVID-19 pandemic. They need our support. Second article. NFLX, Newsmax would never become Trump TV. NFLX, CEO says. Third article. The CEO of Newsmax says the channel will never become Trump TV, but he and Quat's open to giving the president a weekly show. Fourth article. Cullen Frost Bankers Incorporated boosts stake in Nielsen Holdings plc, NYSE, NLSN. Fifth article. Newsmax buyout eyed by Trump allies seeking in Fox News killer in CEO denies deal. Ticker CF date from November 12, 2020 to November 13, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Unique assets, Foss Agro and S dividend wits are in appetite and Second article. Research analysts and weekly ratings updates for CF Industries, CF. Third article. Research analysts and APAS, weekly ratings updates for CF Industries, CF. Fourth article. Morgan Stanley cuts CF Industries, NYSE, CF, price target to $32. Fifth article. CF Industries Holdings and S, CF, $30.55. Price moved above its 50-day moving average on November 11, 2020. Ticker date from May 3, 2019 to May 3, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Cooks and Person Company Incorporated sells 229 shares of HCA Healthcare Incorporated, HCA. Second article. Q2 2019 EPS estimates for HCA Healthcare Incorporated lowered by analyst, HCA. Third article. HCA Healthcare Incorporated, HCA, to post Q2 2019 earnings of $2.49 per share, SunTrust Bank's forecasts. Fourth article. Top stock reports for Pfizer, Intel HCA Healthcare. Fifth article. SunTrust Bank's comments on HCA Healthcare Incorporated and SFY 2019 earnings, HCA. According to the model, the probability of NFLX show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 70.67%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker ILM date from October 8, 2020 to October 9, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. State of Alaska Department of Revenue has $7.70 million stock position in Illumina Incorporated, NASDAQ, ILMN. Second article. Illumina and Grail together, a perfect marriage. Third article. Illumina Incorporated, NASDAQ, ILMN, SVP Susan H. Towsey sells 100 shares of stock. Fourth article. Illumina Incorporated, NASDAQ, ILMN, Director J.T. Flatley sells 3,000 shares. Fifth article. J.T. Flatley sells 3,000 shares of Illumina Incorporated, NASDAQ, ILMN, Stock.ticker XP date from November 27, 2019 to November 29, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Expedia Group Incorporated, NASDAQ XP, shares sold by Colonial Trust Advisors. Second article. Expedia Group, no mode and declining margins, sell. Third article. Ilmarine and Mutual Pension Insurance Company invests $6.72 million in Expedia Group Incorporated, NASDAQ XP. Fourth article. Expedia Group and Quat, S, EXPE, moving average convergence divergence, MACD, histogram just turned positive. Fifth article. Expedia Group Incorporated, NASDAQ XP, director acquires $1,976,600 in stock. Sixth article. GQ Asset Management LLC takes $109,000 position in Expedia Group Incorporated, NASDAQ XP. According to the model, the probability of SBNY show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 69.32%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker WMB date from October 4, 2018 to October 4, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Williams wins FERC approval to place Atlantic Sunrise Pipeline in full service. Second article. Williams receives FERC approval to place Atlantic Sunrise project into full service, plans to place project into service October 6. Ticker date from January 24, 2020 to January 24, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Stocks with rising relative price strength. Citrix Systems. Ticker BYPL date from December 17, 2019 to December 17, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Healthcare and Biotechnology Dashboard, update. Ticker BME date from January 17, 2020 to January 17, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why this biotech giant and Quat, S deal making lethargy baffled investors. Second article. Stocks that hit 52-week highs on Friday. Third article. Aditx Therapeutics files for mini IPO. Fourth article. Top picks 2020 Bristol Myers Squibb BMY. Fifth article. Is Bristol Myers Squibb, BMY, a good stock to pick now? Sixth article. 9 takeaways from the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference. Seventh article. Castle could crumble when IPO lockup expires. Ticker BRO date from January 24, 2020 to January 24, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Stocks that hit 52-week highs on Friday. According to the model, the probability of CARR show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.94%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker pool date from March 16, 2020 to March 17, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Credit Suisse AG acquires 9,600 shares of pool company, NASDAQ pool. According to the model, the probability of MRNA show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.86%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker NMOC date from May 21, 2020 to May 22, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Quarantines accelerate Qualcomm Wi-Fi 6E headway. Second article. Santa Clara-based Oracle database rival scores $105 million funding. Ticker STX date from January 15, 2019 to January 16, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Will Western Digital cut its dividend in 2019? Second article. Why Western Digital Corporation stock fell 53.5% in 2018. Third article. Seagate Technology plc, STX, short interest down 14.8% in December. Ticker YA date from January 11, 2019 to January 15, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why Electronic Arts, EA, could beat earnings estimates again. Second article. Electronic Arts, EA, now covered by Stephens. Third article. Electronic Arts puts global media business up for review. Fourth article. Activision renounces Destiny publishing rights, stock down. Fifth article. Morgan Stanley, video game makers winners if Amazon does cloud gaming. According to the model, The probability of TSLA show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.11%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker SBUX date from February 19, 2019 to February 19, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Watch and Quat, Vision, and Quat, the first Bernie Sanders 2020 campaign ad. Second article. Watch Bernie Sanders trash Howard Schultz as a know-nothing billionaire who can afford a lot of TV ads. Third article. Wall Street Journal Wealth Advisor Briefing, 401ks, Guggenheim, Coffee for Overachievers. Fourth article. The Zacks Analyst Blog highlights, Starbucks, Apple, Nestle, Dunkin' and Quat, and Coca-Cola. Fifth article. Bali and Quat's new Starbucks flagship store has its own coffee farm and valet parking. Ticker DISCA date from December 28, 2018 to December 28, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Blackstone Mortgage Trust larger than S&P 500 component discovery. Ticker GWW date from May 4, 2018 to May 7, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why Dividend Aristocrat W.W. Granger isn't in Quat, TIA value stock. Second article. W.W. Granger reaches analyst target price. Ticker ASO date from March 21, 2018 to March 22, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why AutoZone is underperforming peers in 1Q18. Second article. AutoZone, ACO, receives daily media sentiment score of 0.11. Third article. Metropolitan Life Insurance Company NY sells 9,009 shares of AutoZone Incorporated, ACO. Fourth article. Guggenheim Capital LLC lowers holdings in AutoZone Incorporated, ACO. Fifth article. AutoZone, ACO, announces $1 billion share repurchase authorization. Ticker CPB date from December 18, 2019 to December 18, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Campbell Soup expected to earn Q2 2020 earnings of 61 cents per share, NYSE, CPB. Second article. Campbell stock up 50% YTD, will momentum stay in New Year? According to the model, the probability of TRMB show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.03%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker USB date from December 27, 2018 to December 28, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. EG, USB, CME, AXP, large outflows detected at ETF. Ticker DRE date from February 15, 2018 to February 16, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Pre-market technical scan on Right Equities, Cube Smart, DCT Industrial Trust, Duke Realty, and Extra Space Storage. Ticker AXP date from December 26, 2018 to December 27, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. See how American Express ranks among analysts and Quat, top Dow 30 picks. Second article. TD Ameritrade and Quat's partnership with WeChat brings financial education to a surging mobile user base. Third article. American Express becomes number 16 most shorted Dow stock, replacing Johnson & Johnson. Fourth article. Canadian consumers love credit card rewards, AXP, MAV, Apple, Google. Fifth article. Mackenzie Financial Corp boosts holdings in American Express, AXP. Sixth article. EG, USB, CME, AXP, large outflows detected at ETF. Seventh article. The Wall Street Journal, Kenneth Chenault to step down from IBM, P&G boards. Eighth article. McDonald & Quat's becomes number 17 most shorted Dow stock, replacing American Express. Ninth article. Warren Buffett used to avoid tech stocks. Now he loves them. Here in Quat, SY.